One of the many benefits of a sprung structure is the ability to relocate and repurpose your structure for another use in a different location. Several industries benefit from the ability to reuse a structure when the original use is no longer needed. Our unique patented technology provides the ability to relocate, insulate, or add accessories depending on your business needs. A great example is the Sprung structure in West Jordan, Utah, currently being used as a bus maintenance facility by the Jordan School District. In 1994, the original structure was used as an arena at Wolf Mountain in Park City, Utah. The arena was removed to build new venues for the 2002 Olympic Games, so the structure was relocated to South Jordan and used as a vehicle maintenance facility until 2008, when it was moved to West Jordan, where it is today. One structure with 3 different applications over almost 30 years. If you are looking for long-term value and a more flexible, cost-effective building solution that can grow with your business, contact us today to explore the many possibilities of a sprung structure.